That's correct. Two neighborhoods especially hit hard by that heavy snowfall are the south side slopes and Beachview. Now, residents in those neighborhoods say they actually feel stranded, and that's the deal in some of the neighborhoods with the steepest streets in the city. Now, here are the conditions at the south side slopes. This is the intersection of Mission and Barry Streets. Barry Street is packed with snow. It is steep, and residents say it's too risky to risk right now. And this is what it looks like in Beachview. This is the intersection of Fallowfield Avenue and Bayonne Avenue, also steep and snow covered. At the highest peak of Beachview, that's where this is in that neighborhood. Residents in both of those neighborhoods say it is better to be patient.
That's dangerous. People really should be careful. If you don't need to go out, stay at home and have fun.
I'm sure the city of Pittsburgh is doing everything they can to make it happen, right? Let's be honest, right? Getting a snowplow up and down this could be dangerous for the driver themselves, right? So, where is the line at which we complain and where is the line at which we kind of, have a little understanding?
And even with that patient, or with those patients rather, those residents say that they hope that the conditions improve within a day or two. For now, covering the South Side, Sheldon Ingram, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Yeah, we're going to keep following that to check in. Sheldon, thanks so much. Well, Pittsburgh